Thrift shopping, once seen as a budget-conscious treasure hunt, has become a mainstream phenomenon. Today, thrifting is a vibrant and sustainable way to shop, offering affordability, style, and environmental consciousness. Imagine stepping into a world where vintage finds whisper stories of the past, designer labels hide in plain sight, and one-of-a-kind pieces await their second chance to shine. That's the allure of thrift shopping. It's a journey of discovery, a chance to unearth hidden gems, and a sustainable alternative to fast fashion. Every aisle holds the promise of uncovering a hidden treasure, a piece that speaks to your individual style. But thrifting is more than just a shopping experience. It's a movement. Join us as we delve into the world of thrift shopping, uncovering its secrets and inspiring you to embark on your own treasure hunting adventure. The allure of pre-loved items goes beyond affordability. It's about embracing a conscious approach to consumption, recognizing the value in items with a history. Vintage clothing in particular holds a certain charm. It reflects the trends of bygone eras, offering a glimpse into the past and allowing you to incorporate unique pieces into your contemporary wardrobe. The beauty of thrifting lies in its ability to challenge conventional notions of style. It encourages individuality, allowing you to curate a wardrobe that reflects your personal taste and values. So, why is secondhand the new chic? Because it's sustainable, affordable, and offers endless possibilities for self-expression. It's about embracing the stories behind each piece and making conscious choices that benefit both your wallet and the planet. The fashion industry is a major contributor to environmental pollution. Thrift shopping emerges as a sustainable solution, offering a way to reduce textile waste and minimize our carbon footprint. By giving pre-loved items a new home, we extend their lifespan and reduce the demand for new production. This simple act has a ripple effect, conserving resources, reducing pollution, and promoting a more circular economy. Every garment saved from landfill represents a step towards a more sustainable future for the fashion industry. By choosing second-hand items, we are also opting out of the unethical labor practices often associated with fast fashion. Thrifting allows us to break free from this cycle, supporting ethical consumption and promoting a more just and equitable fashion industry. So, the next time you're tempted by a fast fashion bargain, consider the environmental cost. Choose thrifting instead and make a conscious decision to support a more sustainable and ethical approach to fashion. One of the most appealing aspects of thrift shopping is its affordability. It allows you to stretch your budget further, acquiring high-quality items at a fraction of their original cost. Thrifting challenges the notion that style comes with a hefty price tag. It proves that you don't need to break the bank to look and feel your best. With a little patience and a keen eye, you can uncover incredible deals on clothing, accessories, homeware, and more. The money you save through thrifting can be redirected towards other priorities such as experiences, travel, or investments. So embrace the thrill of the hunt, scour those racks, and discover the joy of finding incredible deals on unique and stylish pieces. Remember, thrifting is not about compromising on quality. It's about making smart choices that align with your budget and your values. Section 5. The quest for quality identifying hidden gems. Navigating the racks of a thrift store can feel overwhelming, but with a discerning eye and a little know-how, you can unearth hidden gems that rival any high street find. The key lies in understanding how to identify quality items that will stand the test of time. Start by examining the fabric. Look for natural fibers like cotton, linen, silk, and wool. These materials tend to be more durable, breathable, and age gracefully. Check for any pilling, fading, or signs of wear and tear. A little wear can add character, but avoid items with significant damage. Next, inspect the construction. Look for well-sewn seams, sturdy zippers, and buttons that are securely attached. Pay attention to the lining, ensuring it is intact and free from tears or stains. Trust your instincts. If a piece speaks to you, if it fits well and makes you feel confident, it's likely a keeper. Section 6. Deciphering fabric and construction, a guide for the discerning shopper. Knowing your fabrics is key to identifying quality pieces while thrifting. Natural fibers like cotton, linen, silk, and wool are generally more durable and breathable than synthetics. However, each material has its own characteristics to consider. Cotton. Look for tightly woven fabrics for better durability. Avoid items with pilling or fading linen. Embrace the natural wrinkles, but check for signs of excessive wear or thinning. Silk. Hold the fabric up to the light. A slight shimmer indicates quality. Avoid snags or pulls, as silk is delicate. Wool. Gently tug the fabric. It should bounce back, indicating good elasticity. Check for moth holes or signs of damage. Beyond fabric, construction plays a vital role in a garment's longevity. By learning to decipher fabric content and construction techniques, you can become a savvy thrift shopper, confidently selecting pieces that offer both style and substance. Section 7. Navigating the thrift store maze, unveiling hidden treasures. Thrifting is an adventure, and like any good adventure, it requires a bit of strategy. Knowing where to look and how to navigate the often overwhelming aisles can make all the difference in your thrifting success. Start by researching the best thrift stores in your area. Look for shops with a good reputation for quality and organization. Don't be afraid to venture beyond your usual haunts and explore different neighborhoods. Once inside a store, take your time. Don't be discouraged if you don't find anything immediately. Thrifting is a process of discovery. Start by browsing your favorite sections, but be open to exploring other areas. You might stumble upon unexpected gems in the most unlikely of places. Use your hands to feel for different textures and fabrics. Section 8. Personal anecdotes. My thrifting triumphs and tribulations. I'll never forget the day I found my vintage Chanel handbag. It was tucked away on a dusty shelf in a small, unassuming charity shop. I almost walked past it, but something about the shape caught my eye. I cautiously pulled it down, my heart racing as I realized what I had found. The leather was buttery soft, the iconic quilting was intact, and the gold chain strap gleamed. It was a moment of pure thrifting ecstasy. Of course, not every thrifting trip ends in such a triumphant discovery. There have been times when I've spent hours scouring racks, only to leave empty-handed and slightly disheartened. But even those trips hold valuable lessons. One of the most rewarding aspects of thrifting is the thrill of the hunt. Section 9. Thrifting communities, a haven for vintage enthusiasts. One of the most heartwarming aspects of the thrifting world is the sense of community it fosters. Online platforms, flea markets, and vintage fairs bring together like-minded individuals who share a passion for pre-loved treasures. These spaces offer a haven for vintage enthusiasts to connect, share their finds, and celebrate the art of sustainable style. Social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok are teeming with accounts dedicated to showcasing thrift finds, offering styling tips, and promoting sustainable fashion choices. These platforms provide a space for inspiration, education, and encouragement, connecting individuals from all walks of life through their shared love of thrifting. Flea markets and vintage fairs offer another avenue for thrifting enthusiasts to come together. These vibrant events bring together a diverse array of vendors, each with their own unique collection of pre-loved treasures. It's an opportunity to browse, barter, and discover hidden gems, while immersing yourself in a community that celebrates individuality and sustainable living. And Section 10. Rejuvenating your finds, breathing new life into pre-loved items. Thrifting is about more than just acquiring pre-loved items. It's about giving them a new lease on life. Simple alterations can work wonders. A skilled tailor can hem pants, take in a dress, or replace buttons, giving your finds a custom fit. Don't shy away from DIY projects. Learning basic sewing skills can empower you to mend tears, sew on patches, or even transform a garment into something entirely new. Embrace the power of upcycling. A vintage scarf can be repurposed into a hair accessory or a bag strap. Giving pre-loved items a second chance is not only environmentally responsible, but also incredibly rewarding. It allows you to express your creativity and appreciate the history and craftsmanship of each piece. Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing the adventure of thrift shopping. Thrift shopping is more than just a shopping trip. It's an adventure, a treasure hunt, and a sustainable choice. It's about embracing individuality, expressing personal style and finding joy in the unexpected. As we've explored the ins and outs of thrifting, from identifying quality pieces to navigating thrift stores and rejuvenating your finds, we've uncovered the secrets to successful and fulfilling thrifting experiences. Embrace the thrill of the hunt, delight in the unique finds, and take pride in your sustainable choices. Thrifting is a journey of discovery, a celebration of individuality, and a testament to the enduring allure of pre-loved treasures. So go forth, explore the world of thrifting, and unearth the hidden gems that await.